Today is a day of many firsts. It's Shay's, mine, and Ragnar's first time on this trail. And we know you might not be able to pack up and hit the trails this weekend, so this trail, well, it's yours too. You'll be with us experiencing Ragnar's first real walk on a leash. You'll get to see him dig for the first time and experience some of the most beautiful waterfalls Oregon has to offer. Today we're roaming around Koosah and Sahalie Falls, and we're so excited to bring you along. So settle in, breathe deep, and roam with us. Roaming is a reset for us. Life gets busy, it's hectic. Between the day-to-day, running businesses, raising a family, raising a puppy. So today it's about slowing down, being present, and remembering that the most beautiful places, well, sometimes are the ones that you never plan to find. What we didn't know stepping onto this trail is that we were walking across history. It's a landscape shaped by fire. Most people come here to see waterfalls, but what they don't realize is the real magic hides between them. Thousands of years ago, lava poured through this forest, carving a path that still pulses with life today. And 14-week-old Ragnar, Shay, myself, and you were about to explore it for the very first time. As we make our way down the trail, we step aside to let a group pass by. While we're waiting, Ragnar starts exploring and puts those puppy paws to use.
What are you digging for?
This is Ragnar's first experience digging, and he's really excited to use this new skill. Ragnar is used to the leash for potty breaks and small walks here and there. And at 14 weeks old, he's right in the middle period of what's called his fear imprint period. What that means is new sights, sounds, and smells really shapes how confident Ragnar will be as an adult. This hike is going to have lots of new firsts for him and great for confidence builder. This is prime time for socialization, introducing new textures like gravel, bridges, leaves. It helps build confidence. German Shepherds are in their critical mental imprinting phase right now, meaning every experience, good or bad, can stick for life. This is the age they start showing their individual personality, independence, curiosity, and confidence. German Shepherds are bred for endurance and focus, and early hiking helps build coordination and muscle memory. Dogs experience the world 40 times more through scent than humans. A trail hike is like reading an entire novel for them.
We're going to be a pro at this exploring thing. Can you say hi to people? Wow. How long has he had 12 weeks old. 12 weeks. We've had him a month.
The trail starts at Koosah Falls, where the water drops 74 feet over an ancient basalt ledge, hardened lava that once flowed red hot through this valley. Now it's a waterfall, proof that even destruction can create something beautiful. Ragnar stops often, sniffing the air, taking in the cool breeze,
Good boy.
watching hikers pass by, learning to share the trail one curious look at a time. The path between Koosah and Sahalie winds through dense forest, roots twisting through the lava rocks, sunlight flickering through the canopy. Each turn feels like a secret waiting to be discovered.
He's just checking. He's like, but Mom, I saw it now. Move out of the way. Up there and sit down. Come here and sit down. I'm not right in the path.
Good doggy.
Okay, now sit. There you go. That's a good job. That's how you do it.
You can hear the McKenzie River from the parking lot. As soon as you open your door, you're in the forest. But walking the path right beside the river, hearing the echoes through the trees, it's a rush that feels alive.
Oh, yeah. That's gorgeous.
Everywhere you look, the land tells a story. The jagged cliffs, basalt from ancient eruptions, the turquoise pools, that's glacier meltwater filtered through volcanic rock. Even the soil, thin, full of pumice, is a reminder how this forest grew back from fire.
Ragnar, you want some water? You want to go in? There you go. Good job. He's being brave. Good boy. Good boy. That was so good, Ragnar. Does it feel so good? Oh, he got his paw in there. You did it! You got wet! You got wet! Good job! He wants to play in it. Oh. Does that feel good? Oh. Are you drunk? Have you been drinking? There you go. You have fun. And there's more up the steps. There's another landing. But look at him. He's doing so good.
He's doing amazing.
He's not scared of it. Look at you playing in the water. Look at you. Well, not under it. He likes it. So refreshing, huh? Are you gonna be a water dog?
Oh, oh, oh.
He wants to play so bad. There you go. You did it.
Yay!
Good
Good boy, Ragnar.
He's gonna shake. You got this. You got this. There you go. You did it!
He got in the water.
You
He
did.
played.
There's something so magical watching Ragnar explore. His curiosity, his bravery. This was his first experience with water, other than drinking from a bowl, of course. He was curious, he was cautious, but he was also brave, just jumping in the water. Puppies develop their balance between 12 and 16 weeks, so trail obstacles help refine coordination, and you can see that coordination and confidence grow through this trail. You can see that tiny spark where he says, "Yes, I can do this." It's really wild to think. A puppy exploring a trail born from fire and ice. But maybe that's what adventure is. What it's really all about. Curiosity meeting courage. You can't rush a trail like this. You have to let them speak to you. You have to slow down enough to notice the small things. The way the sunlight dances on the water, or how the lava, once fierce and unstoppable, now cradles life. We've been walking for hours, over 5 in total on this trail, but it doesn't feel like time is passing. It feels like breathing. The sound of the river keeps rhythm, the air feels cleaner with every step, and Ragnar somehow never stops exploring. As we finish the loop around Koosah Falls, it's hard not to pause, to take one last look and let the sound of the rushing water settle into you. There's something about this trail that clears the noise, the kind that builds up quietly in everyday life. Out here, surrounded by towering pines and mist in the air, it's like everything unnecessary just drifts away. The cold spray from the waterfall feels like a reset button. You can't help but breathe deeper, think slower, and feel smaller in the best possible way. Every step back toward the trailhead feels lighter, like the weight you came in with got left somewhere along the riverbank. You start a hike thinking it's about the view, but by the end, it's really about how you feel walking back. It's funny, you come out here looking for an adventure, but you end up finding a little peace too. And as we wrap up this part of the trail, there's one last stop calling our name, Sahalie Falls.
So we'll see how this goes. Let's do it. Yeah.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say cheese. We need to teach them cheese. Cheese. Thank you.
Hear the sound before you see it. That deep, echoing thunder that only comes from something powerful. We only spent 30 minutes here, but it was enough. The sound filled our chest. For a moment, it felt like standing inside the story. Thank you for roaming with us.